Welcome to AI Joyful Discoveries. We're diving deep into the revolutionary world of Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft Copilot is an AI-powered tool designed to assist users in various tasks, powerful tool that can enhance your productivity and creativity. By utilizing Microsoft Copilot, you can access GPT capabilities without incurring the monthly fee associated with GPT-4.
Copilot's capabilities include coding, writing, and beyond. For continuity, you can use the same prompt with Copilot. You can watch our detailed guide on Chatgpt prompt, abbreviations and markdown in 7 minutes. Here, https://youtube.be/1ukbreport3nk.
Installation is simple. Follow steps. Step 1. Open the App Store on your device. Step 2. Search for Copilot in the App Store. Step 3. Select the Copilot app from the search results. Step 4. Tap Get or the download icon to install the app.
Step 5. Once installed, open the Copilot app. Step 6. Navigate to the app settings and toggle the Use GPT-4 button to enable the advanced features.
Accessing Copilot. The Copilot users can use basic features of Copilot apps without needing to create an account or sign in. This could include features like viewing public content, using certain tools, or accessing general information.
Let's jump into some sample use case. Use case 1, writing assistance. Copilot can help draft emails or create engaging content for social media posts. Please see example of Copilot suggesting improvements to a written paragraph. Use case 2, coding help. Show how Copilot can assist in writing code snippets for common programming tasks. Present a scenario where Copilot helps debug a simple piece of code. Use case 3, learning new skills. Users can learn about new topics like cooking a specific recipe or understanding the basics of photography.
Here is an example of Copilot guiding a user through the steps of a new yoga pose.
Use case 4, daily productivity. Copilot can help organize a to-do list or manage a personal schedule. See example of Copilot providing tips for time management or goal setting.
Use case 5. Input the following request. Generate an image depicting a tranquil lakeside setting during sunset. The water surface is placid, mirroring the vivid hues of the sky. In the foreground, there's a wooden pier adorned with a solitary canoe moored to it. Encircling the lake are towering pine trees, while in the backdrop, distant mountains stand with their summits illuminated by the fading golden light of the setting sun. Additionally, I may specify, include some birds soaring in the sky. To maximizing Copilot usage, below are some tips of the free features available and creative ways to use Copilot for everyday tasks.
1. Choose the right chat mode. Copilot offers different conversation styles, such as balanced, creative, or precise.
Experiment with these modes to find the one that suits your needs best. Use the Ask Me Anything text box to enter your requests, or explore the suggested questions provided by Copilot.
2. Generate first drafts. Copilot can assist you in drafting emails, reports, or essays. Describe what you want, and it will generate a preliminary version for you to refine. Use it for brainstorming or outlining ideas before diving into detailed writing.
3. Web page summaries. When browsing the web, ask Copilot to summarize articles, blog posts, or research papers. It can provide concise overviews, saving you time and helping you decide which content to explore further.
4. Image conversations. Upload images or describe visual concepts to Copilot. It can analyze and generate relevant text based on the content. For example, describe an image, and Copilot can create a poem, story, or even a fictional scenario related to it. 5. Avoid hallucinations. Copilot's creativity can sometimes lead to imaginative or nonsensical responses. Be aware of this and guide it toward practical solutions. If it generates something unexpected, refine your prompt or ask follow-up questions to steer it in the right direction. 6. Meeting preparation and follow-up. Before a meeting, ask Copilot about the main topics, best practices for presenting ideas, or questions to keep the discussion moving. After the meeting, use Copilot to summarize key points and draft a recap for your team.
Microsoft 365 integration, Copilot Pro. If you subscribe to Copilot Pro, it integrates with Microsoft 365 apps, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. Use it to create, edit, and analyze your work, making your tasks more efficient and insightful.
In conclusion, Copilot can help with information retrieval, answering questions, and engaging in conversations. It utilizes advanced language models and search capabilities to provide relevant and up-to-date responses. Copilot can also generate creative content like stories, poems, and code, and it can assist in writing and optimizing content. It's a versatile tool that aims to be helpful, positive, and engaging, making it a valuable companion for users seeking assistance or information.
To access Copilot website, you can enter copilotmicrosoft.com.
You can use a free version of Microsoft Copilot with a Microsoft account. The free version allows you to use Copilot on the web and in Windows, macOS, and iPadOS. You'll have access to GPT-4 and GPT-4 Turbo during non-peak times. And you can create and edit AI images with 15 boosts per day using Designer One.
Finally, let's exploring AI tools. Chatgpt Microsoft Copilot versus Gemini. Chatgpt, launched by OpenAI, quickly hit 100 million users, sparking debate over its impact on education and employment, despite misinformation risks. Microsoft Copilot, integrated into Bing as the evolved GPT-4, excels in understanding prompts and offering tailored experiences. Gemini, Google's contender, showcases unique strengths within its ecosystem. While ChatGPT shines in coding, writing, and resume help, Copilot boosts productivity and offers insightful assistance. Gemini leverages Google's infrastructure for distinct advantages.
Whether you're a beginner or a tech enthusiast, don't miss out on our latest discoveries. Subscribe and join our community of forward thinkers today.